Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This court in a judgment reported as Dr. Subhash Kashinath Mahajan versus State of Maharashtra and another. 2018 6 SSC 454 issued certain directions in respect of investigations required to be conducted under the Act. In a review filed by the Union against the said judgment, this court in a judgment reported as Union of India versus State of Maharashtra and others 2024 SCC 761 reviewed the directions issued by this court and held that if there is a false and unsubstantiated FIR, the proceedings under section 482 of the code can be invoked. The court held as under. There is no presumption that the members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes may misuse the provisions of law as a class, and it is not resorted to by the members of the upper caste or the members of the elite class for lodging a false report. It cannot be said that the caste of a person is the cause. It is due to the human failing and not due to the caste factor. Caste is not attributable to such an act. On the other hand, members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, due to backwardness, hardly muster the courage to lodge even a first information report, much less a false one. In case it is found to be false, unsubstantiated, it may be due to the faulty investigation or for other various reasons, including human failings irrespective of caste factor. There may be certain cases which may be false that can be a ground for interference by the court, but the law cannot be changed due to such misuse. In such a situation, it can be taken care of in proceeding under section 482 CRPC 1973. Later, while examining the constitutionality of the provisions of the amending Act, Central Act number 27 of the 2018, this court in a judgment reported as Prithvi Raj Chauhan versus Union of India and others 2024 SCC 727 held that proceedings can be quashed under section 482 of the code. It was held as under. This court can in exceptional cases exercise power under section 482 CRPC 1973 for quashing the cases to prevent misuse of provisions on settled parameters as already observed while deciding the review petitions. The legal position is clear and no argument to the contrary has been raised. In Garage Pentia, one of the arguments raised was non-disclosure of the caste of the accused, but the facts were almost similar as there was civil dispute between parties pending and the allegation was that the accused has called abuses in the name of the caste of the victim. The High Court herein has misread the judgment of this court in Ashabhai Machindra Adagle, as it was not a case about the caste of the victim, but the fact that the accused was belonging to upper caste was not mentioned in the FIR. The High Court of Bombay had quashed the proceedings for the reason that the caste of the accused was not mentioned in the FIR. Therefore, the offence under section 3(1)(11) of the Act is not made out. In an appeal against the decision of the Bombay High Court, this court held that this will be the matter of investigation as to whether the accused either belongs to or does not belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. Therefore, the High Court erred in law to dismiss the quashing petition relying upon later larger bench judgment. The appellant had sought quashing of the charge sheet on the ground that the allegation does not make out an offence under the Act against the appellant. Stop.